already.
Very much. Yeah. So see that just hold. We have received 24 modern ultrasound with that AI enable that will go to our rural facilities to help us in our effort to enhance maternal and child health. We are very grateful because one of the two areas that have not been catered well are areas around lab services and imaging, and the partner through this partnership has come forward to help us to strengthen the two, which will go a long way in reducing our burden of maternal mortalities.
Naamini hii itatumika vizuri na county government pamoja na watumishi wa county, sana sana ni health, watu wa afya. Kwa hiyo watu wote huko vijijini, hapo dispensary, hapo health center wapate huduma nzuri.